thought this was worth noting. It's this is the generation meter reading for two 25 kilowatt solar inverters, which are, that's the meter itself there. These are the CTs for the meters, and the inverters are both running. It's a bit cloudy outside, so they're only doing about 500 watts each, but they are actually running, and these are the cables for them, but it's currently registering nothing. And the reason is, we've got, this is from the MCB, and this is, sorry, this is from the MCB, this is from the MCB, and they're going through and just cancelling each other out. So all I'm going to do is swap the direction of this cable through this CT, and then that should magically come to life. And now you can see we have a reading 1.4 amps on L3, which is the one I've just changed over. And yeah, that one there. Just got the other ones to go now. Right, they're all happy now. Current is flowing in all of them. It's the same amount and it's the same direction, which is always a bonus. And we can check that over here. So we've got that one, L2, L3. Let's go in the same direction for all of them. It's currently saying it's a 40:1 or a 200:5 CT, and sure enough, 200:5. So it's even set correctly. Bonus.